Hey, what's going on, RecTec families? I'm currently cooking some ribs right now, and I'm using this time to do the front shelf mod. So I have a new front shelf, and as many of you noticed, the bull ring that sits right under here is no longer accessible easily. So what I did was relocate the ring to the front of the shelf. And the easiest way that I found to do it is take a piece of tape like this right here, and notice it's at the corner here. So I went all the way at the corner over here. I laid it straight through over here to align it, and then once it was over these holes, I poked the holes so I knew exactly how far away the holes were. Took the tape off. Oh, by the way, these are 3mm hex bolts on the underside, and if you're young and agile like me, you can actually climb under this competition cart to get access to it, but I definitely don't recommend it, just for safety reasons, blah blah blah. And you also want to wear safety glasses while we're talking about safety. So once you've finished marking the tape, you take it out and put it at the edge of this, kind of guide it along, and then you'll see where you made those little holes. Next, with the center punch, an automatic center punch, this is very important. You definitely want to use the center punch. You want to create a divot right in the middle of where you mark those holes. You want to use the center punch because you need that divot. If you don't, your drill bit's going to go all over the place, and you don't want to scratch anything up while you're doing this. So one of the things I used was a drill bit. It doesn't have to be a Cobalt. Now this is stainless steel, and typically stainless steel is very hard to drill through, but I used a 7/32 drill bit. That's the correct size. And the key to getting it done fast, you do not want to just drill super fast. You don't want to just go like that, because stainless steel, the hotter it gets, I believe the harder it gets. So it's going to dull out your drill bit, and you're not going to get anywhere with that. So you want to use a lot of lubrication, spray the little divots, spray your drill bit, and you want to go really slow, as slow as you can, but you need to put a lot of pressure on the bit. Put enough pressure so you don't bend or break the bit, but you want to go slow enough so it penetrates and cuts through. Once it's cut through, you're good to go. You can set your little piece right here, and it's going to sit right there. So see, that lip is kind of covering it, so the ring will rest right in there. And that's kind of a closer look, and you can see a picture of it later on, but that's typically how you would do this mod.